Josh is the CEO of Heygen, and today he is going to share with us a few interesting details about how Heygen came to be, where he got all of his ideas and thoughts with his founders and co-partners, and going to also treat us to a demo of how easy it is to create a video using Heygen. Go ahead, Josh, take it away.
Sounds good. Yeah, thanks, Kat. So my name is Josh. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Heygen. So yeah, I think the idea was really starting from roughly 3 years ago. So where Wei and I met together, we wanted to do something just use AI to create content. And oops, I guess Kat dropped out again, but I'll keep going, and then I will let Kat like join us again. Yeah, so the idea was that we want to use AI to create content, and at the time was 2020. There's not that many technology advancement as of today, but we really believe that could be something achievable in the future. So where we see the first generation of the generative adversary network, we can use that to turn a user into a baby face or Disney style. Okay, you're back. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Cool, awesome. Yeah, I was saying like how the idea came out. I was saying that there's a lot of like technology advancement in 2020 that we can use the AI to turn the user into a baby face or Disney style, image. Yeah, that was the very first version of the technology that I see, have the potential to create image. So yeah, it is possible that or technically feasible that we can actually generate the entire video. So because things are just like video, just like composed with frames, right? So I think we just like start a company in late 2020, and then the first product we put out for Heygen, like basically is the product that we can use AI to create spokesperson videos. Yeah, and that's why we are today. And a little bit story about me and Wayne is that we actually went to undergrad school together, and also we went to graduate school together. After we graduate, we've been knowing each other for more than 10 years. After graduated, each of us like went to a different place to work, and then we haven't really talked about connect with each other for a couple of years until we met. Oh, we just want to do something cool and something together. And my background are coming from engineering, and Wayne's coming from product. So yeah, it's kind of like perfect fit, perfect timing for us. Yeah, to reunion. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a little.
No, I totally feel like this product is very now. It's refreshing. I mean, AI is crazy off the charts. Everybody's talking about it, with the ChatGPT and of course video, and there's so many interesting things that Heygen does, including face swap and all of that. You can make like animated pictures talk. I'm so into it. So what I realized right off the bat when I met you and when I tried out the product is how easy it was to use. And I feel like for a lot of people, it might be a blocker if they think that they're not technologically savvy or anything like that. But it's so easy, and you're going to give us a demo. So I'm really excited. And I think that when everyone sees how easy it is, to create an explainer video, say, for instance, for your business, they're going to be pleasantly surprised. And yeah.
Cool,
Go ahead.
cool.
Let's see what you got.
That's good. I'll probably try to share my screen, see if it works. Yep. Right, can you guys see my screen?
No, not yet.
Oh, not yet. I guess I need to put it here. How about now?
Yes, perfect.
Cool, awesome. Yeah, so I will probably try to walk through everybody, what is the how does it look like if we want to create a video on Heygen, and let's try to do one together, and then I will try to explain some of the other features around creating the entire video. Yeah, so pretty much I think the easiest thing when you register and count on Heygen is go to the template tab. Basically, you will find hundreds of templates for different use cases here. Like for example, advertising, e-commerce, learning and development, explainer videos, right? And then each of the template, the biggest difference, compared to traditional video editor is that each of the template come with a spokesperson avatar, and if you click on it, let's say we want to make some product explainer videos, for example, exactly what I'm doing right now, right? So let's say we pick something, let me see which one, maybe just the first one. Let's say do this, and then we can preview the template over here, and just like click this button, we will go into the we call it creation flow page. So basically, once we get into here, you will be able to see that the entire canvas of every elements of the video. I think my internet's running a little bit slow right now, but yeah, here we go. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Cool. So the entire interface here, there's pretty much like two components, I would say, right? So one of the main component is the right side of the stuff that is a canvas. Then you can drag and rip, just like drag and drop stuff, or add your text here. Let's say I don't want to say, or maybe I want to turn this bigger, right? Just basically or set it to, I don't know, 96 or something, and then try to format it differently. And then the main interaction here would be we can type in the stuff that we want the avatar to speak about. Let's say today, right? So welcome to Heygen 101. I be talking about how we can to create a first video, let's say, right? And then later on, once we have typed in the stuff, we can click on this button, and then to preview all the voice we have. So let's say we do like a British accent, like we can click here to preview it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Let's say we want to use it.
Okay.
Select this one, and then we can play the script over here, just like see if you like the voice or not.
Welcome to Heygen 101. I will be talking about how we can use it to create the first video.
Yeah, so I think there's a small place that I would like to adjust, right? I don't want it to be pronounced as 101. I want to pronounce like 101, right? So in this case, a small trick is that we can just like do it this way: 1 on 1 or 101, and basically that will
perfect.
Yeah, let's do it again.
Welcome to Heygen 101. I will be talking about how.
Yeah, pretty much. There's a small trick that we can actually how we can more accurately control the pronunciation of the wording. Yeah, and then we can do the same thing for the other slides. And then meanwhile, we can also like try to upload your voice or record your voice here. So pretty much that is like what happened on the right side of the component. On the left side, we have like template. You can add more slides over here. You can also pick up like different avatars. We have like talking photo, avatar with the background, and avatar with the matching background, like the one we have over here, right? And then we can also do different type of text, different fonts, and elements is like there's a lot of stuff going on the element. We can do frame, sticker, icon, image. I'm not going to go into too much details over here, because today I was going to give you the one-on-one structure that how we can create a first video. So any specific thing you would like me to go more details, Kat?
Yeah, remind me again how many languages Heygen supports?
All right, good question. So we support I believe it's like 50 plus right now. So we support like 50 plus different languages. Yeah.
Perfect. So like if I want to make a video for my Greek people, we can just make him speak Greek, right?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah,
Very cool.
yeah,
Um,
yeah.
cool. Okay, so also, how many different avatars are there? And are there different looks that we can give them? Can we change their outfits? Say, for instance, a business has a logo tee, and they want their avatar to wear that. Is that a possibility at this point?
Yeah, so that's a great question. So, so first of all, what we come with already with the platform preset is that we have like we usually have multiple outfit for each avatar. Let's say if you go to over here, right? So his
Mhm.
name is Ken. Yeah, so we can do like different one like this or like a casual, or
Oh,
like
cool.
different. There's a fourth here, right? And there's
Mhm.
another one you might notice that this Christmas look is actually created with AI, you know. So
Right.
so we are rolling out a new feature that we will be able to allow users actually to generate the outfit on the avatar, which is like coming very, very soon. So coming
Okay.
back to your question, Kat. So let's say if you have a logo, you would like to put it on as, you know, I don't know, the T-shirt, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, that would be totally possible. Probably sometime next week. Yeah,
Wow. Okay. Next week. I'm excited.
yeah,
Okay. So we know that there's like lots of different languages. And I'm sorry, how many different avatars? 100, 200?
yeah. We have more than 100 plugs, like hundreds of them over here,
Amazing.
like covering different, you know, ages, gender, and different region as well.
Yeah, I'm looking different ethnicities. That's great for diversity because that's so important right now.
Mhm.
Um, okay, so we've gone through this step. So now how do we generate the video and get it out there? And how long does this take? I mean, this was a very fast process. Is the whole video generation, is it as fast as what you just did?
Yeah, so pretty much the way we can think about it is that for every 1 minute duration of video, it would take about like 5 minutes to generate. But if you're generating, you know, with like 10 seconds, it will be 50 seconds to
Mhm,
finish the entire rendering and generation. So because we need to run a couple of heavy AI model on the back. So
mhm.
yeah, so I can walk you guys through how we can actually, you know, finish the generation part of it.
Okay.
For as for the demo, I'm gonna delete some of the slides over here.
Okay.
I can probably delete this one. Uh, yeah. There's another thing I forgot to actually demo. I think is pretty cool is that we actually built in GPT-4 integration, which allow us to write this script better. You know, if you click onto this one, AI script by
Mm.
ChatGPT, just
Right.
there.
Amazing.
And let's say we want to make it more engaging, right? This might sound like a little bit boring over here. What it would does is it would take your script and then try to recompose it in a different way. Like here we go. You can see that yeah, it looks pretty good actually. Yeah, let's say we want to take this one, right? And like each of the slides, we can just like write down the bullet point. That's what I usually do. And
Okay.
then let GPT does the job, and then we review it. We review it. Yeah.
Oh my God, that's
So
so easy.
yeah. So and then by the way, and this feature is like unlimited. So like we have seen a lot of users trying out this feature a lot, and we're not charging for that. And then what we do is basically providing this service to help people just lower down the creation cost. Yeah.
Okay. That's
Cool.
awesome.
I'm gonna just submit this one. Let's play it real quick to make sure everything's fine.
Okay.
Welcome to Heygen 101.
Yeah, I'm gonna change this one 101. 101. Cool. So
Welcome to Heygen 101.
cool. Yeah, all we need is like if we want to preview it, just like click this button, and then you will
Mhm.
be able to preview the entire image. Like for example, how the text moving, how the different elements interacting with each other, right? So the only thing we could not be able to do during the preview is that we would not be able to see the avatar actually moving, because there's something that we would need to generate it on the back. Yeah, let's
Okay.
take a look.
Welcome to Heygen 101. Let's explore how we can use it to create amazing videos that will engage and excite your audience. From understanding the basics of video creation to exploring advanced.
Cool, I think that's good. And
Yeah,
then I'm
the
trying to
messaging
see,
is good.
yeah, I'm trying to see if I can use some other voice. One sec. Oh, it's like it's a pay account. Okay. Anyway, so let's try to submit it, see what will happen, right?
Okay,
Cool.
perfect.
Oops, I think I
Ah,
don't have the credit left. One sec. Yeah, but this is probably some technical issue here. I need to set up a better account. But anyway, I think once we click submit, we'll be able to see the result on your video tab. Yeah.
okay.
So,
That is
mhm.
awesome. Okay, so while you're doing that, tell me about some of the, say it's a small business and they don't have a lot of marketing budget, which is the case right now. A lot of companies are a little bit tight or they're watching their budget. Explain to me what a monthly plan would entail and the cost, if you don't mind.
Sure. Yeah. So probably I can pull up the screen share again. Sorry, one sec.
Okay. Yeah, no
Yep.
problem.
So we have the pricing tier over here. The starting plan actually started with $24 per month if we purchase annually. For monthly, it's gonna be $30 per month. Yeah. So the way how we are positioning the pricing model is that we only charge by minutes. So basically, for every single minute you render, we charge somewhere around between $2 to $3. That's where how it look like. Yeah. So I would highly encourage that if you're a small business team, start with a small plan, and then take a feel at it, how you like it, and I think more importantly, try to create some videos and put it out there. See how your audience likes about it, right? In terms of their engagement, the advertisement ROI, and stuff like that. And then you can always come back to upgrade to another plan anytime. Yeah. So I would always start with probably start small. That's my first suggestion, and get something out there and test it out on the market.
Yeah, what I really love about this pricing structure is that there's a sliding scale. So if you only need 10 minutes, if you need 20, 30, you can adjust according to your needs and your budget. So that's really, really helpful. I feel like a lot of companies don't do that. It's like one size fits all, and that doesn't always work. So this is a really good plan. Perfect. And then, so can you tell us about any possible features or anything that'll be happening in the future? Are you allowed to tell us?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So I think there's a
Okay.
couple of things still, as for now, I think we only walk through some of the very basic pipeline that we have to generate a video, but we also have some very cool features. Let's say the talking photo, right? We can actually generate that the talking styles spokesperson video with a single photo. And meanwhile, we also would be able to actually clone your avatar if you want. And right now we can only submit probably somewhere around 2 minutes of footage. We will be able to make the avatar for you. And not only that, we just rolled out voice clone recently that it will look and sound exactly like you. So those are the two features I haven't been touched yet, but those are pretty cool features. Definitely give it check it out. So some of the very interesting feature coming on down the line, I would say one of the very important things, the team collaboration features. I think this feature has been asked for more than 3 months for now. So definitely, Heygen is a single person version at the moment. We are not able to invite different people from your team together to collaborate on one single video project. That would be something we will be doing, and I believe that will be probably some go out in May. I think another thing is that in general we are improving like I said, so improving the avatars capacity and quality as well. Like what will
Mhm.
happening is like will happen the AI outfit releasing very soon. That's one,
Yeah.
and the other one is that we'll be able to actually shrink down the 2 minute data recording to probably somewhere around 20 seconds or 15 seconds very soon.
Wow.
Like which means that we can probably everybody can create an avatar with a mobile phone, and the
Mhm.
cost will be much lower than now, right? And then another thing I think I'm personally very exciting is that there's so many happening on the ChatGPT, like the general AI side of things. We definitely are aware of it. We have a team dedicated working on that. So I think enabling the end-to-end, video generation would be another big thing for us. Like
Okay.
basically, being able to having us not only generating, the spokesperson videos, but actually the entire video, including the different elements of it, right? For example, image asset, video asset, and stuff like that. And that will be enabling, with the technology combination, with the, I would say, the rendering technology, AI generation, as well as the some of the large language model we are seeing every day. Yeah, so those would be something that very exciting we put together to enable the end-to-end video generation experience. Yeah, probably those are the few things down the line. Yeah.
Well, that's quite a lot of things. So you kind of touched on custom avatars. Now, I know that a few people have asked you, they've asked me on social, and can you just kind of maybe describe the process for getting a customized avatar if people decide that they don't want to use one of the templates?
Sure. Yeah. So, like basically, um, so first of all, what's a custom avatar, right? It's basically like creating a version of you look exactly like you and sound exactly like you, can helping you to be filming in front of the camera, basically, and
Mhm.
that's how what it is. And the way how you do this is that let's say right now, right, I'm speaking in front of the camera. All I need to do like keep doing this for 2 minutes, and then make sure you actually look at the camera, pronounce what just speak about anything you want. It could be done in any languages or
Mhm.
any different ways that you want, and then at the end just send us those 2 minute footage that you have. I mean, before that, we would need a consentment from you, basically, like explaining you give us the permission for us to actually create the avatar for yourself. And then
Mhm.
once you send the footage either through the website, or there's a small button you can upload over there, or you can actually send us over email, and then we'll get back to you immediately, usually, and then you will get your avatar within probably somewhere around 3 to 5 business days.
Mhm. Perfect. Okay,
Yeah.
so I mean, that's not a lot to wait, and of course, the reason why somebody would want to do this is because maybe they have like a spokesperson and they want their own spokesperson in a video, and I feel like this is very extremely cost efficient, rather
Mhm.
than having to hire actors, hire a production crew, do all of that. So that's pretty
Mhm.
exciting. Um, is our
Yep.
video done? Are we going to see the video?
Let me see if I have the credit right now.
Okay,
Yeah.
we need the credit master.
I just submitted. Yeah, I probably we will be able to see that in probably 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay, so I'll just keep talking.
Yeah.
So this is all very exciting. Also, okay, so we touched on a little bit what made you decide to do this and the different filters and stuff you were working on. And for those that don't know already, you were an engineer at Snap, am I correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you used to work on those filters that all of us love. We've all used all those filters, the baby filters, the puppy filters. We've all done them. So this is really an exciting kind of an iteration of that, but video, which is so hot right now, video marketing. And it's so important. I think I just read that, 75% of companies need video marketing and want to get started in it, but they just don't know how. So this is a really great way to get started. Was this in your thought process when you started Heygen?
Yeah, definitely. I think, one of the things I hear like a lot from business was that, actually every business wants to create more videos. And that's even true for us, you know, even though we
Yes.
are a video company, like making tools for help people to make videos. Right? We actually want to make more videos because video just like a better way to, you know, get marketing traction, you know, either for you know, getting more user engagement or user acquisition and stuff like that. So you know, I think ultimately what we want, we would like to become the tool for video marketing to enable everybody to be able to do that. Yeah, so that's kind of like the original vision of creating Heygen. Yeah.
Got it. Okay, so we've gone through how easy it is to make. So with the starter package, I think that when they get 10 minutes, they can make it, you know, 10 videos if they're only about a minute, you know, each, correct?
Yeah, if 1 minute, yeah, like yeah, somewhere
Yeah.
around that.
Because I think that I read again that Optimum videos, you know, because everybody's busy and no one has time to like watch these extended, long-winded videos, that, you know, 1 minute, 1 minute 15 is generally where they need to be in order to be effective and to have people pay attention. So yeah, that's just perfect. And they can do this all for $24 a month if they get an annual plan, right?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
$30 a month if they just want a month, excuse me, a month-to-month plan.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Exactly.
perfect.
Yeah. So yeah,
Awesome.
if you want to, yeah, the video is ready. I can probably
Oh,
play it. So
let's see it.
probably, yeah, let's take a look. So, right.
Welcome to Heygen 101. Let's explore how we can use it to create amazing.
Can you hear the voice, Kat?
Yes, I can hear it.
Awesome. Yeah.
Videos that will engage and excite your audience. From understanding the basics of video creation to exploring advanced techniques, Heygen 101 has something for everyone. Let's get started and make your first video today.
Awesome. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Videos that will engage.
have the, you know, script written by ChatGPT and have our avatar Ken, you know, to present it for us. That's great.
Yeah, that's awesome. And I love that he's got, you know, the natural mannerisms that a person would have, the head tilting, the moving, you know, as he's like, and the intonation. That's really great. Okay, well, thank you for showing us. I mean, it's really easy. I can attest to that because if I can do it, literally anybody can do it. So I guess we are ready to maybe take some questions if there's anyone that has a question.
Sure. Yeah.
Let me see here.
Yeah.
Hold on one second. Okay, we have a question from Pedro Azevedo who wants to know, when will we be able to connect to GPT so we can use the talking photo as a chatbot / digital human?
So let me see. So first of all, I think the script writing part we have to connect it, you know, with ChatGPT. I just demo.
Mhm.
When we talk about the talking photo as a chatbot, so first of all, I'm not sure, Pedro, that would be like something like talking photo for real-time streaming. Is that what you're saying? Or otherwise, like as for today, what our customer is doing like a lot is that, you know, just like do it separately on ChatGPT and copy paste the script and put it onto the talking photo to enable that experience. Yeah, if that's what you're asking.
Okay, we might have to get some additional information from Pedro, but Pedro, if you need to send us an email, please send it to contact@heygen.com, and one of us would be happy to go into detail with you. The next person wants to know, may I know, is there some enterprise plan for customers? Our team may need more than 5 hours to create our training videos.
Yeah, definitely. So, like, first of all, we have enterprise plan for now, like even now. So, if you're looking for 5 hours, definitely reach out to us, schedule a call with the calendar link we have. So that's first. And then meanwhile, I was saying that, you know, there's also another big version updates on the enterprise plan for those team users. Basically, you will be able to like, you know, invite your team like all together to be able to like collaborate on a video project together. So yeah, definitely, you know, give us email, and then we will present you the enterprise plan.
Perfect. Okay. Our next question is, how do I integrate screensaver with the template avatar? Is this a possibility?
What is screensaver? Like the screen
Like
recording?
Yeah, I think on your computer, maybe screensaver.
Okay. So yeah, so first of all, we don't have the feature that you can do like on page screen recording at the moment yet. You will have to rely on some other a third party software to do that first, and then you could upload the screen footage to the asset. I can just quickly demo that. So over here, the asset part of it, you will be able to just like upload, and then you will be able to see your screen recording over here, and then during editing the video, you can just add it into the camera. Yeah.
Okay, very cool. Let's see what else we have. We have Eno Liang is asking, curious, who should care about Heygen the most? That's an interesting question.
Yeah, I think for people who actually want to there's multiple perspective. I think the most one perspective would be whoever wants to make more video, whoever is looking for scaled video production, whoever wants to test out or double down on the video strategy that you are doing as today. That's first. Like, because I think essentially Heygen is just to enable people that being able to like scalably deploy your video production and strategy. That's first. I think another thing would be that I have another angle is that so any marketing teams is looking for innovative or new ways to acquire user or like a better engagement. So because I will highly encourage everybody, if you haven't tried out video marketing yet, definitely give it a hit, because we have been doing a lot like for the content marketing, especially for blog posts, SEO, advertising, and stuff like that, right? But video marketing is definitely one area that's raising. Even for us, video marketing was the best, like when compared to ads and SEO and stuff like that. So I would say for any marketing teams, you are looking for increasing your ROI, improving your acquisition channel, definitely give video marketing a try, and Heygen would be a good tool to get started.
Agree, definitely. Okay, and finally, our last question, will you be adding more avatars to your lineup?
We will. So we have a plan in May. We will be adding somewhere around probably 7 to 8 more avatars onto the platform. That's first. And then meanwhile, and then we will be able to actually generate more avatars. And then that will be probably something down the line we are working on as well.
Awesome. Okay, well, I think that is it for the questions. Let me just see if we have any more. I think that's it right now. This has been really helpful, and I'm sure that it's helped a lot of people, move the blockers and just get into it. The best way to get started with Heygen is just to do it. We have a free trial. You can access it at heygen.com. So feel free to reach out with any questions. You can reach us on social media, on Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. Where else are we? Everywhere. Now Reddit. We're pretty much everywhere. Oh, and Facebook, we have a Facebook group. So if you ever have any challenges or questions, you can reach out and one of the admins will be happy to help. So we encourage you. Thank you so much for attending. Thanks, Josh, for answering all the questions. We do plan on doing this on a regular basis. We're not quite sure yet if it's going to be weekly, bi-weekly, but it's very encouraging, and we're so happy with the turnout that we had this very first time. So we thank you all, and we will see you soon.
All right. Thank you, Kat. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks, Josh. Bye.
Bye.